So, good evening, Miss Susette Ramillo. And of course, this is the first night ng wake ni Miss Gloria Romero. How are you feeling po and how did you first learn of the news?
Actually, I first learned it through my brother, Matt. He texted me. So when I woke up kanina, that was his message to me. Also, another friend also informed me early this morning. So, of course, sad news, because my mom and the Gloria were contemporaries.
Yeah.
They had the same name. So they had a lot of things in common. And so, of course, we will miss her. Like my mom, I miss my mom.
Yeah. Kailan niyo po siya huling nakausap?
Tagal na kasi magmula nagkaroon ng COVID, yung meron silang grupo ang tawag Balik Samahan. Ano yun, madalas sila nagkikita dati before COVID. And then when COVID broke, syempre,
You have to be
was
safe.
worried na mga elders kailangan hindi lumabas sa mga bahay. So everybody got a little paranoid, scared. Hanggang siguro naging habit na rin, nagkaroon na ng instill na sa Maynila na huwag tayong lalabas kundi magkaka-COVID tayo. So, matagal ko siya nakita. I think, nagkaroon sila ng online mass. So, online ko lang siya nakita talaga. But si Marites and we were schoolmates the same time. So, doon siya before.
So, ano po yung fondest memory niyo kay Miss Glo?
Yung Balik Samahan nila, I enjoy attending and being with them kasi you're with great actors.
Veteran actors.
These are the icons of Philippine cinema. And to see them all together, having fun, laughing, and sharing their feelings, nakakatuwa. I mean, I even I asked for the autographs. Kasi iba yung generation nila. These are really professional actors and actresses. So, yun mga fun memories ko with Tita Gloria. With my Tita Gloria. Seeing them happy and enjoying life together.
Ano po yung isang adjective na magagamit nyo to describe her? Yung top of mind?
Siguro like my mom. She's one lang. Ang dami.
That's okay if you have more than...
She's beautiful. She's charming. She's respectful. She's an icon. She's a role model. She got the list.
Did you have anything that you wish you could have told her before yun nga she passed away suddenly?
It's always good to say I love you to everyone. So I think one of the things that I wasn't able to tell her that I admire her. I think I said I admire her, but to say that I love her, hindi ko nasabi.
So, last question na lang po, since nabanggit nyo po, kakarating nyo lang, and I think this is the first interview actually, after you. Yeah. Ano po yung aabangan namin sa inyo, like projects, or ano po yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo ngayon?
I'm working on some movie projects right now, so hopefully matuloy yun this year. Kasi dapat nangyari yun last year, kaya lang may mga delays. So, I'm hoping na matuloy na this year.
Can you give us a clue like genre or director?
Genre, it's going to be drama.
Drama?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.